Why is it me whenever I make slime, try to make slime, it becomes like that? I'm thinking going with the video. I'm putting the toothpaste in as the video is putting toothpaste. I am stirring as the video is stirring. What do you want from me? Like, why me? Just like why? Like, just because I don't have Elmer's glue in the house and friggin' normal detergent, well, the detergent it's used to make slime. Like, I have other detergent here, which I don't really use, but why? Okay, if you want to know the ingredients I use, it's toothpaste and body wash. But the video I watched, the toothpaste they used was Colgate. I use Sensodyne, but I don't actually use Sensodyne. I don't know why this is in my house. Like that. I use Crest. Why is there hair in my slime? Please get off. Oh my god, my bowl's gonna fall. Look at this. Happy New Year. Can you guys see that? It got on my new socks. I bought like 2 pieces. Get off me. Bring it one on my socks. What the? I mean, it's just toothpaste and what's it called? Oh, body wash. So what's it gonna do? Oh, and the body wash. Oh, well, this is what it looks like now. The body wash I used. This is so God help me.